Aggregate functions. We just learned about count, which is an aggregate function. There are other common aggregate functions in SQL. One of those aggregate functions is the sum function, which adds up the numbers provided to it. For example, we can find the total order credit that customers have using the sum function. We type sum, and then inside the brackets we type order credit. If we run the query, we can see the sum is 430. This is much easier and faster than manually adding up all of the numbers, or doing it in another programming language. We can use sum with the other SQL that we've learned so far, such as where. We can add in a where clause after the from clause here, to only some records that meet a specific criteria. For example, the sum of order credit where the last name is Smith. Sum is a popular function, and because it's an aggregate function, even if there are no matches, it will still return a value. For example, there are no records with a last name of Smith 123, so one row is returned here. Another function is called max. This lets you find the highest value in a range of values. For example, we could find the max of order credit, which will find the record that has the highest order credit value. It shows 100 here. The opposite of the max function is the min function, which will find the minimum value in a range of values. We can run this and see a value of 20. Both the max and the min functions are helpful for analysing your data. Finally, we have a function called AVG. This is short for average, and it will find the average value in a range of values. For example, this is how we can find the average order credit value for our customers. We can see the result here is 61. This is the average order credit value for all the customers in the table. Once again, the average function and all the other functions we've just seen will always return a value because they are aggregate functions.